Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to explain question number 16 from chapter 6. Question 16 says that find the book value for the table 6.2 using straight line method and table 6.3 using straight line method. So the information that we can highlight from both table is that the par value, which is 1000, the 2-year bond convertible semi-annually, and also the n, which is 0 until 4, and the value of B note. Same goes to table 6.3. Par value of 1002, 2-year bond, 8% coupon, also semi-annually, and yield 10%, and 0 to 4, and B note 964.54. So that are all the information that we can get from both of the table. So for table 6.2, write down all the information back. The par value or redemption value is same, which is 1000. The value of n is 4, which is 2 times 2 because semi-annually, and B naught equals to 1037.17. So we have this all information. So we can proceed to our calculation. So in straight line method, we draw the timeline first from 0 to 4. This is n, and B naught equals to 1037.17. So we know that B naught equals to price of the bond, and Bn or B4 equals to redemption value. So B naught equals to P, so P is that value, the price of the bond. So next we are going to calculate the premium. So in straight line method, we assume that the premium is same. So all the premium will be same. We just need to calculate premium once and use it in all the formula. So we already know that premium is same, so we are going to calculate premium, which is P minus C over N. The P is 1037.17 minus the redemption value, which is 1000, over N, which is 4. So we will get the value of premium, which is 9.2925. So this is the only value of premium that we are going to use throughout the calculation. So the first thing that we know is B naught 1037.17. Next, we are going to calculate B1, which is B naught minus P that we calculate before. So take the value of B naught that we get minus the value of P that we get. So we will get the value of B1 equals to 1027.88. So that is the value for B1. Next, we are going to calculate the value for B2. So B2 is B1 minus P, and P is just the same value. So take the value of B1 that we get before, which is 1027.88 minus 9.2925, and we will get the value for B2, which is 1018.59. So that is the value for B2. Proceed to the B3. Now we want to calculate B3, but we can just use the formula for B2 minus P, and same goes to B4, which is B3 minus P, and note that P is just the same. And after all the calculation, you will get this answer, which is B naught equals to 1037.17, B1 equals to 1027.88, B2 equals to 1018.59, B3 equals to 1009.29, and lastly before equals to 1000. So before OBN equals to C, so that is proof. And next, it's just the same concept and calculation we are going to apply for the table 6.3. It's just that the value is different. So F, or face amount, or redemption value of the bond, is 1000. It's just same like before, and it's also same, which is 4, because semi-annually, and we have that information that B naught equals to 964.54. This value we get from the table. So the same steps, draw a timeline from 0 to 4. This is N, and we have the information that B naught equals to 964.54, and we know that B naught equals to P, and Bn, or B4, equals to C. So we can proceed to the next step. So we know that to find premium, again, P minus C over N. So 1000 minus 964.54 over 4. And you will get the answer of 8.865. So that is the value that we are going to apply in premium throughout our calculation. So same step as before, B naught equals to 964.54. So now we are going to calculate for B1. Same, B naught minus P. So we already have the value for B naught. Just write it down back, and minus 964.54, and minus the value of P that we already calculated before, which is 8.865, and you will get the answer for B1, which is 973.41. Next, we are going to calculate for B2. For B2 is B1 minus P. So take the value of B1 before, which is 973.41 minus 8.865, and you will get the answer of 982.27. So that is for B2. So same formula applied for B3 as well as B4. B3 is B2 minus P, and B4 is B3 minus P. Okay. So just calculate using the same step as before, and you will get the answer of B naught equals to 964. It is 964.54. B2, B1 equals to 973.41. B2 equals to 982.2927. Sorry. B3 equals to 991.14, and lastly B4 equals to 1000, which is equal to the redemption value. So that is the answer.